Hey beautiful people, welcome to Splashes of Me. If you love unboxings, glam hauls and honest reviews, you're gonna love it here. Subscribe and like Splashes of Me. Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing my first Dior box. And trust me, this one is a dream come true. Just look at the stunning gift box, the elegant white color and the minimal yet classy design. It's truly a piece of art. Honestly, I won't throw away this Dior box because it's so beautiful and I can always store this and use for decoration or to store some of my makeup goods. Do you also hoard pretty packaging like me? Now let's open it up and see what's inside. First, I got free samples in this pouch, and this is a standard pouch that they give for samples. This one is Jado miniature. Look how cute this is. And then I got Miss Dior Essence and the Miss Dior Parfum sample. This is a perfect way to try different fragrances and choose the one you like. Now I got this Natural Glow makeup set, which includes 3 Dior beauty essentials plus the most gorgeous little pink makeup bag. This retails for $77. Look at this pouch, soft pastel pink adorned with the iconic CD initials. I'm obsessed with pink and all its shades, and this bag is just so me. The first item is the Diorshow mascara in the shade 090 Black. This mascara is everything. It gives buildable volume with every coat and is made with 90% natural origin ingredients. I wore this while heading to church and actually my eyes water easily. And guess what? It stayed put the entire time. No smudging, no flaking, just bold defined lashes that lasted all day. The second item is the Diorshow Maximizer Body Lash Primer-Serum. I applied this primer serum before the mascara and it instantly made my lashes look thicker, longer and way more voluminous. My lashes looked fuller and it made a huge difference in the final look. The third item is the Dior Addict Lip Glow Balm in the shade 001 Pink. I'm absolutely loving this lip balm. It's made with 97% natural origin ingredients and gives a gorgeous custom glow. I wore this on the same day I went to church and it keeps my lips hydrated the whole time, which is huge for me cause my lips are usually super dry. I noticed the color looked especially fresh on my lower lip, which is lighter compared to my upper lip. And as a little bonus, I also got the Dior Addict Lip Tint in the shade Natural Peach. I'm obsessed with this shade. It gives such a fresh, juicy, peachy tint to the lips that's perfect for everyday wear. The finish is lightweight and feels super comfortable. It retails for $42. Honestly, this entire set feels so worth it, though it is slightly expensive, but the packaging, the quality, the colors, and the gorgeous pink pouch, I'm in love. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite item from this set. Is it the mascara, the lip glow, the cute makeup bag? I love hearing your thoughts. Thank you all for watching. Peace and blessings.